Are you receiving complaints on cracks after pouring Screed mixture? In this video, I will share you some valuable tips that you may consider in enhancing your Screed mix design. This is challenging since 9.5 milliliters is specified nominal maximum size of aggregates, leading to higher water demand and paste volume. But don't worry, we'll follow important recommendations from ACI guidebooks for this Screed mixture proportion. So keep on watching this short video. First of all, let us follow the minimum cement content reference to ACI 302.1R, Guide to Concrete Floor and Slab Construction. For recommended cementitious material content for concrete floors, notice that we have to use 360 to 415 kilograms of cementitious content per cubic meter when using 9.5 millimeters nominal maximum size of aggregate. However, following project or local specification is a must. Notice that the smaller the size of aggregate, the higher the cementitious material content. This is because we need to cover more surface area for smaller but twice as many or more compared to larger size occupying the same volume. While most of us is adding polypropylene fibers or shrinkage reducing admixture, I want you to follow first the basic approach to control from volume of coarse aggregates, water-cement ratio, quantity of water per cubic meter, and the total paste volume of the mixture. So start with using a typical water-cement ratio from 0.47 to 0.55, which are common for most interior floors. The total water content can have a major impact on the bleeding characteristics of the concrete and the potential for shrinkage. So use of the lowest practical quantity of water in the concrete mixture is recommended. I would suggest 170 kilogram or less per cubic meter. This will be possible using superplasticizer admixture. Reference to ACI 211.8R, drying shrinkage cracks occur due to the moisture loss of the concrete over time. As the moisture leaves the concrete shrinks, and if it is restrained, it will crack. Most corrective actions are in design or construction practices and not in mixture design adjustments. Next is controlling the paste volume. A lower paste volume can lead to lower concrete shrinkage, lower concrete temperature due to lower heat of hydration. AASHTO PP84 lists a paste volume of 25% as one of the approaches to reduce unwanted slab warping and cracking due to shrinkage. Finally, consider increasing the volume of 9.5 mm size aggregate to reduce the mortar and paste content. The change in moisture content of cement paste causes concrete to shrink or swell. Aggregate reduces the unit volume of cement paste and provides an internal restraint that significantly reduces the magnitude of these volume changes in concrete. Notice that the coarse aggregate is visible and the mixture is homogeneous. The initial slump was more than 200 mm, however, in actual supply after 30 to 45 minutes travel time, the slump will drop to 180 to 190 millimeters. Now that we covered the technical aspect on designing Screed mixture from a ready-mix concrete supplier point of view, we can now politely remind the responsibility of site quality control engineers to do their part. This includes choosing the right weather condition to avoid rapid moisture loss leading to plastic shrinkage cracks, proper consolidation, finishing and curing, providing proper contraction joints, using sufficient reinforcement, and workmanship of finishers. To watch more of concrete learning videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please also share this video and leave a comment for your additional advice on this topic. I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching.